Hello there. Let's review two musical terms that we've been talking about. Of course, we know forte, which means loud, correct. And what does piano mean? Soft, right. Tell me if this sound is forte or piano. If you said it's forte, you are right. How about this one? Yep, still forte. Now what about this one? Yes, that is more piano. This one? Forte! One more. Yep, that one is piano. Forte means loud and piano means soft. Let's put that into a new animal song today. A piece that's going to be about a bird or an elephant. We could have two elephant songs. We don't know. So listen very carefully and decide if you hear a bird or an elephant. Is this for presto or largo? I would definitely say closer to presto. Is it forte or piano? It's pretty soft, right? It's piano. Now, what do you hear? Birds or elephants? This is supposed to be about a place at the zoo called the aviary. If you said this is about birds, you are correct. Can you hear the birds chirping? Correct if you said the birds. Well done.